I don't know, guys. I think they might be after me. I got a rare DS that wasn't supposed to get into my hands. I don't even know how. I just woke up. It was on my desk this morning. So here we have a DS download station. Not free, so we have a sticker here from Nintendo. And on the back here we have a whole other sticker, troubleshooting tips. Overall, it seems to be in decent condition. So what this is was, in stores like GameStop, they had download stations where people could come in and play through DS Download Play. So the power switch is stuck up. So this is, for parts are not working. He's clearly in more rough shape than I thought. I'm going to be taking a look at this guy. Going to be seeing what I can do to fix him and to maybe restore him a little bit. But to keep it as factory as possible. Now, I had a download station in the past just like this, except it had really beefy square foam sticker pads on the four corners. This one does not have that, and it's obvious that he never had that because there's no marks of where they would have been. So this must be a little bit of a different download station. But it's still a download station nonetheless. I'm comparing this. So this looks like it's a fake slot cover because, I mean, first and foremost, that screw. It has the PCB inside. However, even the PCB looks different. So this is an authentic slot cover. We see it's glossy and then it's like that, but this is straight up like that. I mean, maybe it's just for the download station. Like, maybe it is authentic and it's just different. Let's start by taking this guy apart. I'm going to try to cut. I can see the line of the battery door. I really don't want to scratch anything. But I do want to get into it without marking it up. If I make a really precise cut, then we won't have to worry about the sticker peeling whatsoever, which would be nice. Because I definitely want to leave this DS how it is. Besides the not functioning aspect of it, of course. Okay, I think I did as best as I could. Let's get our screwdriver and see. First and foremost, let's see what if the charging light's solid. Okay, I was going to say if it's solid, then we have a good chance of getting it working, but it goes out. Either that means there is not a battery plugged in, the battery is bad, it doesn't recognize that there's a battery in, or there's something worse wrong with the motherboard. So the first download station I had that I mentioned earlier, oh, the sticker is actually coming off really nicely. It's just this corner that's giving us very, very slight issues. There we go. Okay. Hey, so look at that. It looks like I cut the sticker nicely. Oh no. What is that in there, dude? Doesn't smell like anything, which I guess is a good thing. The first download station that I had, it was black, not cobalt blue. It didn't have all of these stickers. It had, I think it had this sticker, and it had a different sticker on the bottom. It had like a black sticker on the bottom, and it was smaller. It's the one that had the 4 square foam pads. It had a bunch of extra wiring on the inside with red wires. I'm very interested to see if this console has that as well. Get all these screws out. I'm going to keep the motherboard screw in for now. Now there's one screw that we can't access. It's in this area. We'll need to do something about that. Wait, did it not have a battery in? I'm actually really dumb. I don't remember if this had a battery inside of it or not. Hey, so look at that. Let's try to charge it now. Okay, it must not have had a battery in. I don't even know how I forget. I'm deciding whether I should puncture it or start to kind of peel the sticker. The sticker's already very slightly peeling. Okay, yeah, the sticker is kind of falling apart. So I know I already caused a little bit of damage, but I really don't want to cause any more. And also, once you start to peel it, that'll just cause it to start to peel on its own in the future, and I really don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and puncture it so that I can get the screw out. Unfortunate, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Okay, so there's no wiring. Man, that's unfortunate. Let's remove the shoulder buttons and get the board lifted up so we can see what's past the board. Okay, pry it up. Yeah, there's just nothing special in here. No extra wiring, no nothing. I wonder if someone took the original board out somehow? Well, no, they couldn't have, because the sticker wasn't punctured whatsoever. So, I am the first one to be inside of this download station. So, maybe they just didn't make all download stations with, like, custom wiring and whatnot. I don't even know what the wiring was for. That other DS worked totally fine. It worked totally normal. So I don't know what the wiring was for, but it was all soldered up and everything. Wish I still had that DS. Would have made a video on it. So the power switch nub, it's still totally intact. And for this plate, the power switch is still totally on. So I don't know if this DS like fell at some point and the power switch just became lodged in the up position. But either way, that's good news for us. So I'm going to pop our battery on and let's see if he turns on. It does. I can't imagine it's not even going to work. Okay, it does work, so. It is beat up, though. The top screen has a red tint. You can see it has a red tint. Sometimes it goes in and out. Right there, it's out, so right now it's totally normal, and then it's back. As long as it's fully functional, I'm just going to reassemble it the way it is. If you guys want me to kind of restore it, if you guys want me to swap the top screen lens, because it's all scratched, if you want me to swap the bottom screen, a digitizer, because it's pretty scratched, it doesn't even work. Let's get this guy back together. Get these rubber pads back on, and now we'll pop in the battery. This battery needs charged. Never mind, this battery is just bad. Pop in this battery. And we'll slide the slot cover back in, even though it really doesn't look authentic. Alright guys, well there we have it. Back together. Besides the tiny bit of peeling there and the hole that I caused, it's basically the way that it was, except it works now. Slightly. It slightly works now. The top screen has a red tint, and the touchscreen digitizer doesn't register any inputs, but the buttons work. So if you guys want to see me restore this console, I'd absolutely love to. Just drop a comment, let me know, and I will. It's very dirty. This top plate has a crack here. Now, since it has the stickers on, I won't be able to swap this piece, but I will at least be able to sand it down to make it less pointy and jagged. I'd swap this top lens. Yeah, and it would get a deep cleaning, that's for sure. Either way, this DS is really cool. Really cool to see it actually turn on now. It's a shame that there's no custom wiring on the inside here. But, I don't know, I guess these guys were built differently. I'm sure there were a lot of different download stations back in the day, like a lot of prototypes and whatnot. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And drop a comment. Let me know if you want to see me fix this guy up to make him fully working. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.